guys, welcome back to Karate Studios, and today we're gonna be playing with Gabe from Chase City Gaming. Okay, come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Okay, wait, when is that? Now let's join. Join. I don't know. I don't know. I'm coming in.
I like it when you get to fall down, right?
Yeah. Well, one moment, guys. Actually, come on, let's go. I'm a hustler.
I'm a hotshot.
Did you know you can earn XP just by being in the game?
Did you know there's only one person in the game that's a skater?
Yeah. I'm just doing the loop-de-loop over and over.
To earn XP?
Yeah, and now, you know, you can just stand around and you earn XP. Stand around and you'll earn XP.
I know, but skating's more fun. How much XP do you have?
351? No, 351.
You have 1,352. And I have 3,854. I only have 2,000 more left to go.
Whoa, guys.
Oh, wow.
I'm a hustler. We gotta keep going on. Come on, we gotta keep going. We gotta keep going.
Oh, wow, I just did a cool trick, Silas.
What?
I did a sideways flip, and then I landed it into the bowl.
Let's go, guys. This is so much fun. Ooh.
Are you recording right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, go check out my channel too.
Hey, you already have more views than me.
I do?
Yeah.
I have more videos than you?
Views.
Oh, I have more views than you. I thought you said videos, because I have 44 videos.
Don't plug your merch.
I don't even have any merch.
I'm gonna sometime soon.
Do you have merch?
No.
Do you want merch?
Yes.
Me too.
Get me on this stupid.
Are you doing something really dumb? Not anymore. Okay, guys.
Get on the skateboard, me. Okay, this skateboard's stupid. I spent a whole minute trying to get on here. And I'm finally on first try. Seriously, game?
Oh, wow, look at me. I literally just did a 180. Says I just did a 180 on a rail.
Oh.
Like a real 180, that's what it's called, probably. I'm gonna do a little 180 dance.
Let me get on this stupid skateboard.
Right now I'm jumping while going in circles right now, and I'm at the fourth, and I'm fourth. I'm doing something really dumb right now, and I'm at fourth.
Fourth?
By the way, I have book wings now.
Whoa! I almost did a front flip.
Says, come to the ball.
Come to the
Says,
ball.
Come to Albert's pie. No, wait.
Yeah, I
Says,
just want to pick up.
yeah, go to Albert's pie. I'll meet you at Albert's pie. Okay, Silas? And then you can check out my book wings. Hey, Silas, do you see my book wings?
Yeah.
Are they cool? Hey, and I got a mask.
Oh, good. Now you won't get Robloxia virus. Whoa, that was a sick fly. No. Robloxia virus. It's called Robloxia virus and Roblox, people. Wake up!
I'm doing shove-its right now. Okay, flips. I said it.
I'm gonna open up the
He
trait.
says, I say yo.
I'm going to do shove it.
I'll shove it.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it impossible now. Guys, one moment, I need to reset. Wow, I made symmetrical! Wow! Woo! I'm gonna go to the highest point on this map. I know that.
I can do all the tricks.
I know where the highest point on the map is.
Where?
It's on the blue part.
It's on the what?
It's at the blue part. It's a giant tower.
Okay, I'm coming to the blue park.
You mean the blue part?
Yeah, I'm coming to the blue park.
Okay, I'm stuck. Okay, I'll be coming.
Well, I'm coming to the blue park, okay?
Blue part.
Oh, yeah. Which is the blue park?
Blue part.
Blue park.
This is a whole part. This is a whole. Every single color's every color is part of the skate park.
I know,
And
but
not
you
their
can't call it-
different parks.
Silas, it's actually park.
It's skate park. Every single thing, blue, green.
I know, but parks can be called parks, okay? Parts of the park can be called parks. Park.
Okay, you just made something that made no sense at all.
Whatever. You can go whatever you want, but it's actually parks.
You said that it can be called parks. I call it parts. So, you just said that I'm wrong? We're both right.
You're actually wrong.
Okay, just don't talk. No, I'm hanging up with you. Okay, guys. Whoa! Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. Bye.